Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Elmer, PhD. Good mental health starts here. BeaverCraft just asked me to tell you what I recommend doing to relax. You know, it's easy to get annoyed and frustrated. Wood carving could be a wonderful sort of mental treatment in this case. Maybe you have no savings to buy the tools. Here is a solution. BeaverCraft is hosting a giveaway. Get a chance to win a comfort bird carving kit, just like this one. It includes everything you need to start carving. You'll get a knife, 2 wooden blocks, strop, compound, pattern, sandpapers, safety tape, booklet, and a step-by-step video guide. Opt in today. Subscribe to the BeaverCraft channel. See the link in the description. And comment under this video. You can say Dr. Elmer sent you, or something else. And in 2 weeks, we'll get to know 3 names of some lucky devils. 3 kits are being given away. From my life experience, I highly recommend that you opt in. You could even say doctor's orders. Comfort Bird will make you calm and happy.